Are you still paying for 10 different AI tools? Just stop. Because Google just dropped the biggest update to NotebookLM ever, and it just turned into a full end-to-end product soup. We are talking AI podcasts in 80 plus languages, research that writes itself, visual infographics with Nano Banana, study systems with video overview, and something I'm saving for the end. Right now, most creators are using one tool for scripts, another for research, another for visuals, another for audio, another for video. But this NotebookLM just changed the game. This is research plus scripting plus visuals, audio plus video, all inside one single platform. I generated a video using this platform and let the video explain you what NotebookLM is.
All right, let's just jump right into it. Google's dropped something, and it could genuinely change the game for anyone who's deep into AI. We're going to break down how this one free platform might just, well, it might make that whole stack of AI subscriptions you're paying for totally useless. And this quote, it really just hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? If you've got a browser tab situation that's just a sea of AI bookmarks, and your credit card statement looks like a laundry list of monthly fees, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. This is for you. Because the whole era of trying to juggle a dozen different apps, it might actually be coming to an end. So yeah, let's actually put a name to this whole headache. We're calling it the subscription stack problem. And you know exactly what it is. It's that feeling of being just buried under too many tools, too many logins, and way too many bills. I bet this workflow looks incredibly familiar to a lot of you, right? For just one project, you're starting in Perplexity to do your research, then you're bouncing over to ChatGPT to do the writing, and then you're off to Midjourney to get your images. Every single step is a different app, a different tab. It just completely shatters your focus, and you're left with a process that's not just clunky and inefficient, but really expensive. But what if there was just one tool that could handle all of that? The whole thing. Well, that is exactly where Google's new tool, NotebookLM, enters the chat. This is it. This is the potential fix for that entire subscription mess. So what are we actually talking about here? What is this thing? At its core, NotebookLM is an AI studio. But, and this is the huge difference, it works only with the sources that you provide. We're talking PDFs, websites, your own notes. You can literally just drop in a YouTube link. What it becomes, effectively, is your own private, personal AI built on a knowledge base that you, and only you, completely control. And this chart, it lays out the difference perfectly. Traditional AIs like ChatGPT are pulling from the wild west of the internet. That's why they hallucinate. They just make stuff up sometimes. NotebookLM is the complete opposite. Since it's grounded only in your documents, you get zero hallucinations, none. And even better, every single answer it gives you comes with a one-click citation to prove exactly where it got the information. Okay, I absolutely love this line. It's like a Swiss Army knife that transforms into a full-on production crew. You start out with what looks like a pretty simple tool, for organizing notes or something. But then, with just a couple of clicks, it just unfolds. And suddenly, you don't just have a tool. You have a researcher, a writer, a designer, and yeah, even a video animator, all in one. All right, so let's see how this thing actually builds out. We'll start with its first big job, being a research assistant that you can actually trust. And honestly, this is the foundation of the entire platform. It's all about getting reliable answers without ever having to worry if the AI just made it up. And here's the proof in the pudding, 40 plus. That's the number of verified sources it can pull from and cite in a single deep research report. And we're not just talking about a list of links here. No. Each one is a clickable citation that takes you to the exact spot in the original document. This is legitimate, verifiable research, and it's done in seconds. That's insane. Okay, listen up. For any students out there, or really anyone who's a lifelong learner, this next part it's literally a cheat code. This is where NotebookLM stops being a tool and starts being your own personal tutor. Just think about this for a second. You upload all your stuff for a class, textbooks, lecture notes, those random PDFs, okay? Then one click and boom, it generates a mind map so you can actually see how all the concepts connect. Another click, you've got a full deck of interactive flashcards. And when you're ready to really test yourself, it'll create a custom quiz based on your materials. It's a whole study system built for you in one place. Okay, so that's the whole analysis and learning side of things, which is already pretty amazing. But now let's talk about actually creating stuff. This is where that Swiss Army knife really opens up and becomes a full-blown production crew. And this table really just says it all, doesn't it? The old way, to make even a simple animated video, you needed a whole team. A writer, an animator, an editor, a voice artist. You're talking thousands of dollars and weeks, maybe months of work. The new way? It's just NotebookLM. It is the entire team. And the process? It's just stupidly simple. Seriously. Step 1, upload your source material. Step 2, pick a visual style. And they have fun ones like anime or heroic documentary. And step 3, you just click generate, and out pops a complete video with a professional voiceover, animations, charts, timelines, the whole shebang. Seeing it happen is it's staggering. But it doesn't stop at video, not even close. You can generate AI podcasts in over 80 languages. You can take hours of content and turn it into a sleek visual infographic using this special model that actually gets the text right, which is a huge deal. You can even use it as your own little content agency. Turn one YouTube video into a viral Twitter thread and a personalized LinkedIn post that actually sounds like you. So, all of this brings us to the big, obvious question that's probably been floating around in your head this whole time. If this tool is this powerful, why on earth isn't there a massive price tag attached to it? Right? It totally seems too good to be true. A tool that replaces a whole stack of subscriptions and the main features are free? Come on, there's gotta be a catch. And here it is. Here's the catch. This is Google's masterstroke. See, NotebookLM isn't just some freebie they're throwing out there. It's a bridge. It's a really, really clever way to get you to bring your most valuable private information into their world. Why? So they can connect it seamlessly with their other powerful tools, like Gemini and Docs and Slides. The strategy is actually pretty simple. They give you this incredible tool for free, and in return, you just get pulled deeper and deeper into the Google ecosystem. Okay, so let's just do a quick recap of the big takeaways here. 1, you get a single tool that can replace an entire stack of paid subscriptions. 2, you get answers you can actually trust, with citations and zero hallucinations. 3, you can turn simple research into actual content, like podcasts and videos, super fast. 4, the core features that do all this amazing stuff are 100% free. Oh, and bonus, it's available on your phone with offline access. And all of that brings us to the final, and I think the most important point of all. That huge barrier to entry, the one that kept most people from creating really high-level professional content and research, it's been completely vaporized. Just gone. Think about it. The tools that used to cost thousands of dollars, the ones that required a whole team of people, they're now available to pretty much everyone for free. So the only real question left, the only thing you have to ask yourself now is, what are you going to build with it?